so this is a lot of the real estate I've been buying up. And last week, or last time we spoke, Deborah was trying to explain to me how does the medical industry and the documentation transfer to the police department. So I bought up Law Enforcement Directive. That's what I talked about last year at the Police Leadership Advisory Committee meeting. And we need directives for law enforcement. So I start out, all my products are connected to an advanced directive. An advanced mental health medical directive is the only legal tool an American citizen can use to protect their civil liberties against wrongful state-ordered mental health detainment, medical brutality, and medical malpractice resulting in high medical costs that may result in bankruptcy. The directive process provides legal instructions to the medical field on treatment before an event occurs. This legal tool can include the choice of using a non-biased mental exam proving a citizen's independence and stability. A mental health directive can also provide rehabilitative tools to bring an individual out of cognitive illness due to illegal drug use, medication mismanagement, malpractice, environmental conditions, illegal slander, medication misinterpretation, lack of physical exertion, and nutritional deficiencies. Preventative tools can provide documentation inside the directive to prevent detainment based on slander and misinterpretation. Improper or non-use of an advanced mental health directive can result in dangerous force, state-ordered treatments. Wrongful treatments often cause severe health consequences that include cognitive impairments and shorten life expectancy. A loss in cognitive function leaves personal property vulnerable with restrictions that prohibit the freedoms of the United States Constitution. So I believe that an advanced directive process can provide the psychological examinations within the advanced directive, and I can, in the future, put police directives, so any contact with the police department would be quick exams to prove an individual's cognition against gravely disabled assertions where the police officer takes the individual to the hospital to be detained based on the officer not understanding if the individual is independent or not. So it's a quick independent test, which is based on short-term and long-term memory. And it's similar to like, you know how there's a lot of statistics in baseball that nobody sees, but you only get a brief summary in the newspaper or statistics. You don't see every curveball and everything that the actual, every stat that the team is looking at or the coaches are looking at. We just get the fan-based statistics. So converting a lot of this advanced medical directive into a shortened form, and that form will prove to the officer that the individual is independent and doesn't need to be detained. So that's called, what I call, or I invented a year ago, in that meeting I called it a Law Enforcement Directive. And so it doesn't exist right now, but that's how everything's going to connect to the police department. Thank you for your time.
Thank you, Alan.
Thank you.
Is that website you showed actually live, or is that still?
MemoryPrograms.com. And there's a few links that work, but that's the only place I think you can get an advanced the Spokane County Mental Health Directive now online. So.
Thank you.